Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to review the Allpowers 700W portable generator. This power station is a must-have for those who enjoy camping, tailgating, or are in need of a reliable emergency power supply. Let's get started. The Allpowers 700W portable generator comes with a large 606 Wh, 164,000 mAh lithium-ion battery and features both AC and DC outputs. The AC output is a pure sine wave inverter, which provides stable and reliable power for your sensitive devices such as laptops, cameras, and other electronics. The DC output is perfect for charging your phones, tablets, and other small devices. The generator has a compact and sturdy design, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. It's also lightweight, weighing only 22 pounds, so you can take it with you on long hikes or camping trips without feeling weighed down. The built-in handle is comfortable to hold, and the generator fits snugly into the carrying case that comes with it. The Allpowers 700W portable generator has a massive 606 Wh, 164,000 mAh battery capacity, which is more than enough to keep your devices charged for days on end. The generator can be recharged via solar panels, AC wall outlets, or car chargers, making it easy to keep your power supply topped up. Let's take a look at some customer reviews of the Allpowers 700W portable generator from AliExpress. D's exactly as described. Took for trips to nature, at sea and as an uninterrupted source for the gas boiler, during a power outage. Thanks to the seller for the fast delivery. With the application on the phone, he turned around quickly. Very good. All as described. Came charged on the 45%. It looks very good. In the summer I'll do it with the panel, and then we'll see. Duge class power bank. Trim 2 router plus laptop plus computer 4 days. And good plastic, good goods, good packing in their own box. Charge in 4 years. Preventions. Overall, the Allpowers 700W portable generator is a fantastic investment for anyone who needs a reliable and portable power supply. With its large battery capacity, stable power output, and easy portability, this generator is a great option for camping, outdoor activities, and emergency situations. I've included a link in the description below. If link doesn't work, you can search on AliExpress using the search code. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.